So hello friend, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. And for today's video I am here in New Delhi. New Delhi railway station. And for today we will travel from New Delhi to Katra. This is my first journey in Vande Bharat, and this is the first video of Vande Bharat also. And I hope you will enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to at least like. So this is our today's train. 2477 Delhi to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra, Vande Bharat Express. Our coach is C2. So first of all, let's find this coach. C2 and our seat is 76, and it is yet to open, but it has already arrived in platform. Our platform number is 2 in New Delhi railway station, and it has already opened. So let's go inside and I will speak with you. And it is India's high-speed train, and it reaches Delhi to Katra in 8 hours. And it takes for other trains it takes 10 to 12 hours. So it is 3 or 4 hours faster than other trains of India. But till date it's a high-speed train of India, and it is my first journey. And I hope you will enjoy. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And it has already opened. It is a 3 p.m. train. It will depart from Delhi to Katra at 3 p.m. And it is long enough, like a general train. It also has 4 or 15-16 coaches. And I think if they reduce these coaches, it will further get high speed. It will get faster. But still it's high speed train, and it is long enough, like a general train. But 4 or 5 hours faster than other trains we have in India, in India's high speed train. So let's get inside it, and after that I will speak with you. So it turned out to be the last seat here, and our coach was C2, and it is 76 here, and it is the last seat, but we do not have a restroom too close.
C2 one
So inside it is like this, and it feels like a high-speed train, unlike other trains, other AC coaches. But it is not sleeper, and it's this chairs, and mostly it feels like you are in aeroplane. We will see the speed and how it feels after we depart. We will see that. there we can like keep our bags. So let me put this my bag also there. So we can keep our bags here in both sides. Both sides we have this space for bag, and it's well lit also. You can see it's both sides. It's like a sufficiently lit. It has sufficient windows also. And it's like a well air conditioned also. It's cool enough. It's like AC. And apart from that, and we have like a washroom just behind our like a coach, but it's outside this, but it's outside this door. So may not be like a much different if it is last seat or first seat, because it's locked. And apart from that, you have one LCD here. Some notice is like flashing here. And in front also you have like this LCD panel, and there also is some notice is flashing. Your coach number also you can find here. It's outside also and it is inside also, you can find it there. Just like this seat. And there is one LCD here also, and you can find some information along with like a speed of train. I will show you after it starts our journey. Mostly it, and I think they can make announcement also. You can hear this announcement here also, and I do not know whether it has Wi-Fi or not, and I will show you that also. But so far it is better than like most other AC trains of India, except that it doesn't have sleeper. It is like sitting chairs. And ours is like a CC coach, and there is another category like a executive coach also. But this one is CC coach. So let's start our journey. And it's like a schedule for like a 3 p.m. departure, and I think it departs sharply, and I think exactly at 3 p.m. And in like other station also, I don't think it stops much, and I do not expect like any delay, but I am not sure if there are any delays or not, but I do not expect it, considering its fare and other thing. It is like a high-speed train over here, and so let's see. And like this, and you can go from one coach to another. Like there is like this door, but it's still like joined. So it's 8-hour journey in this Vande Bharat. And this Vande Bharat, like this Delhi to Katra was one of the earliest Vande Bharat that we had in India, but it's like our first journey in Vande Bharat, and it's mine also. It is like a first journey in Vande Bharat. So I hope you will enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and so let's see what happens next. Gita. This cheers. It's like comfortable enough, just like aeroplane. And it is like longer than aeroplane also. Because I am 6 feet and it is longer than my size. If you do not lean, like it is like this. But as we sit like this, it is comfortable enough, and there is like this table also for lunch and dinner. And this side also you have like this it's like this space for legs, and you can keep your bottles also here. And this bottle space is like given in this, just near this foot. And you have this like you have this space for keeping your books and other things. And it also has this like this arms. And we have this in both sides, so you can enjoy your own space without any invasion. And I think these are like this if you can see this special reading lights also. If they like turn off these general lights, you can turn on your lights and you can read also. And you can see the leg space also, and it is like it's also like not spacious. You can comfortably keep your legs like wide, and even though it's like chairs, not sleeper, but still you can comfortably sleep. You can lean and sleep. So it should not feel like a congested, even though it is like a chairs. And in executive class, you can turn this like I think these chairs also to watch outside. But in this CC, this facility is not available in CC. एग्जीक्यूटिव में ये घूमता भी है ना चेयर, एग्जीक्यूटिव में घूमता है ना, इसमें नहीं घूमता. So in executive class you can find like this. You can turn your seats also. Maybe we will do executive class travel if you like this video soon. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And this also has like this Vande Bharat infotainment. It is called like Vande Bharat infotainment, just like Wi-Fi, but it is not Wi-Fi. It's like I think it's like internet. You cannot surf on this net, but you can hear these given songs and movies also in your own device. And there is no HDR, but if you connect with this Vande Bharat infotainment, you can watch and enjoy songs in your own device. And this door also turns out to be like automatic. It closes automatically after some time.
300 किलोमीटर है यार. हाँ? बस 3 बजे चलेगी.
So you can see.
और कैसा मौसम?
So it closes after some time automatically. And if you want to like open, you can push this.
वायनाड में ना.
You can see they are already cleaning it. I think there is one staff in every coach
In most other trains also in like AC coaches. Nowadays they have like a devoted staff in every coach. So I think in this coach also we have one separate staff. They who will like keep this coach. So it has already started. You can see it from here also, and so let's go up there. So it has already started, and there are like these CC cameras also. They may like in both sides you have CC cameras. हर एक कोच में है क्या स्टाफ? हर एक कोच में से एक स्टाफ रहता है ना? तो दे हैव लाइक दिस हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ इन ये क्या वॉशरूम है? तो दिस इज वॉशरूम है एंड ही विल लाइक मेंटेन इट एंड दिस साइड आल्सो वी हैव वन वॉशरूम. This is Western style toilet and this is Indian style toilet. So there is basin and you can see this like our coach is moving in reverse direction, that is opposite of us. We are like so we are facing in this direction and this train is moving in this direction. So but half of the seats are like facing front side and half the seats are facing back side, and ours is facing back side. In same one coach you have like a two categories of seats, half face like in front side and half face in back side. But if your coach like if you have like a seat this which faces back side, I think it's like not much comfortable.
कृपया ध्यान
Like mine.
दीजिए संबंधित किसी भी समस्या हेतु
But if you can see then half of the seats are like front facing and half are
हमें आपकी
back
सेवा
facing.
करने में खुशी होगी. बेहतर सहायता के लिए उनके संपर्क नंबर इस कोच के अंत में दर्शाए गए हैं. धन्यवाद.
So not happy with this. So it has now reached 58 km per hour. After 15 minutes of departure, it's 58 km per hour. It has speed up to 194 kmph. But I think in average it will travel in 120, 100. But and next stop is 193 kilometer apart. So in between that, I think it will pick up speed. For next 193 kilometer, we can expect like it will travel at least above 100 kilometer per hour. It's already like 106 kilometer per hour.
May I have your kind attention, please? Onboard housekeeping services have been provided in this train for your comfort. Onboard housekeeping staffs are available in all reserved coaches. In case of any issue related to the cleankeeping staff, we will be happy to serve you. For better assistance, their contact numbers are displayed towards the end of this.
So if you can see, it has like a 4 stops. It starts from Delhi, and after that is like a Ambala, and after that is Ludhiana, and next is Kathua. So initially I told you that it is 4 stop, but it turned out to be like 6. Or it stopped in 2 more stations, Jammu Tawi and Udhampura also, along with Ambala, Ludhiana, Kathua also. So many trains have like many halts also. They stop in Jalandhar, and other there are like almost 7-8 junctions where other trains stop, and still they reach in 10 to 12 hours. 12 hours. They should, I think. Speed is like picking up to like 105, 106, and it can go up to 192, but it doesn't feel like it's like traveling in 100 kmph. It is also because it is like a closed coach, but our meter is showing it like 106 km per hour. It has already reached 106 km per hour. But now we have like this stop here, and you do not have like a separate high-speed line for it, and they use these general lines in which other trains also travel, and whenever there arises like this crossing, and you will have to stop and wait. So this is it, and you get this water. And अच्छा भैया, हम ये स्पीड ये चेंज नहीं कर सकते क्या? जैसे ये इधर को है ना, इधर की वाली सीट
आगे
नहीं, जैसे वो पिछली वाली है ना, पीछे वाली इधर को फेसिंग। अच्छा नहीं, ये हमारी कोच में भी इधर को फेसिंग है ना, जो चूज भी नहीं कर सकते जब रिजर्वेशन करवाते हैं. So you cannot exchange these seats also because these are full, and but in other trains also you have like two seats, one front facing and one back facing. But I didn't expect this back facing seat in this Vande Bharat, but it turned out to be back facing and you cannot exchange. And they gave me this water, and you have this option to like book your launch also with your ticket, and you can I think order here also. I have not like a booked in ticket, but even then you get this water, and maybe we will order our food, but let's see if we order it no or not, because I will like visit the shrine today itself, so maybe we will have our lunch or not, dinner or not, but let's see. I have not like a book, but you can book while booking your ticket itself, but you can book without meal also, but they provide you water. So this is included in your ticket without meal. But it is not cool, it's like a general water. 500 ml rail neer. It is railways, Indian Railways special water, rail neer. Thank you. So let me drink water and let's see you later. 500 ml. It will not be sufficient for our entire journey. You can like bring this. You can like adjust this back as you wish, but it's like still comfortable. So it is like this much. It is like without any adjustment, and you can like adjust it this much. Even if you are in last seat, you can adjust it. So it doesn't matter if you are in last seat or front seat. You also have this window also. But if you do not want back facing seat, then it may cause problem. So you need to be clear. This space for keeping your water. It's just beside your leg space. So maybe here it would be much better. At top of your chair, I think it would be much better, but it's like just beside your leg, and I didn't like that also, and I didn't like this back facing seat also. Otherwise, so far it's good. And you get this paper also. Paper भी है. क्या क्या मिलता है दिखाइए. रिव्यू थोड़ा बहुत करते हैं. अलाउड तो नहीं है, फिर कर लेते हैं. So newspaper. Times of India, English newspaper. So if you want, you can like turn this reading lights also, but right now I do not need this because it's still day. But after evening you can turn on this reading lights also. So if you want to travel and read also, you can enjoy. So you have this option. You can like charge with your USB or you can use your charger also. And मेनू देखने को मिलेगा, ऑर्डर करना मिलेगा। तो क्या क्या मिलता है देखने को?
सर स्नैक्स आएगा।
अच्छा
उसके बाद अम्बाला से खाना चलेगा।
अच्छा
डिनर मिलेगा।
अच्छा, इसमें पेंट्री नहीं है, बाहर से चलता है। अच्छा। तो अम्बाला तक के लिए हम ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद ऑर्डर भी नहीं कर सकते यहाँ। अच्छा, जैसे मुझे लुधियाना के बाद चाहिए। हाँ। अच्छा, तो आपको बोलेंगे तो मिल जाएगा ना। So you can order your meal whenever you want. I don't know, but I asked with this host here, and as he told me that you can order whenever you want, but they have to pick the meal. They do not have like a coach here, like a pantry coach in this train itself, but still you can order as you wish. But nowadays you can like a pick order from like a outside, like a delivery, outside catering also. There are like a many caterings who serve you food, but if you wish you can like order it here also. So
यार बैठ जाए इधर।
यह ट्रेन अम्बाला स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाली है। We are approaching Ambala station.
बंद हो जाते हैं। वो भी नहीं चलती।
ट्रेन के पूरी तरह से रुकने के बाद ही सावधानी से उतरे। Doors open on right side. दरवाजे दाईं तरफ खुलेंगे। Please remember to take all your belongings with you. भारतीय रेल के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद।
So after 2 hours travel we have reached Ambala. Ambala is
गाड़ी चलने वाली है, गाड़ी दरवाजे बंद होनी है, अपना स्टैंड करें।
so in 2 hours we have like traveled 200 kilometers. In average it is like 100 kilometers per hour, and so not that bad speed also. So we reached Ambala in 2 hours from Delhi. And doors have already closed, so next we will stop in Ludhiana. This is the first stop after Delhi. So let's see Ludhiana next.
लुधियाना। भारतीय रेल आपकी सुखद एवं आरामदायक यात्रा की कामना करती है। दरवाजे बाईं तरफ खुले हैं।
हेलो हेलो, हाँ कितने में क्या? हेलो
wishes you a happy and comfortable journey. Thank you for traveling with Indian Railways.
अरे अंदर ही रहो यहाँ सब बात।
So finally we have like arrived at Katra station and it took like it is delayed. It is late by 1 hour. It was scheduled for 11:15, but it came here at 00 AM. So this is it here. We came from Delhi to Katra by Vande Bharat, and we did like a Vande Bharat journey also. And I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And maybe next time we will do another route. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And this much for today. Thank you.